Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to share with you how you can easily make homemade Amla hair oil. Amla is the Indian gooseberry. This oil is very much beneficial for the hair, and when you make it yourself at home, it's going to be full of the goodness of these natural ingredients without any added colors or preservative. If you suffer from itchy scalp or dandruff, then this hair oil also helps combat these issues. The ingredients for the oil includes fenugreek seed, onion seed, aloe vera, curry leaf, amla, red onion and coconut oil. The first ingredient is aloe vera. You have to prepare it one day before because aloe vera leaf contains this yellow latex which can cause skin irritation, so this aloe needs to be removed. So just cut the aloe vera leaf and soak it in water for the day and you can use it the next day. The next ingredient are these Indian gooseberries and these curry leaves. I am also going to use one medium sized red onion. So I have washed everything in water and then I have left it out to dry off in the sun because we do not need any moisture in these ingredients. And once these leaves dry out, I am going to take the curry leaf and I am going to remove each and every leaflet from the branch because I will be using the leaves only. So in this manner I am preparing the curry leaf for making the oil, and I am going to take one small bowl of this curry leaf. And for the amla, what I'm going to do is once it is dry, I'm going to cut off the amla into smaller pieces because I'll be grinding it. As this is the amla hair oil, it is going to have one big bowl of amla, and amla is rich in vitamin C and E, and it is also rich in some phytonutrients which helps increase the size of hair follicles and promote hair growth. It also helps control dandruff and premature graying of hair, so it is very much beneficial for the scalp and hair. It also prevents scalp infection caused by bacteria and fungus, but too much use of amla can cause dryness of scalp in some sensitive individuals as it is a little bit acidic in nature. Next, I am going to use this medium-sized onion, and I will also be using some onion seeds. Onions are rich in sulfur and it is believed to support collagen production, and thus it promotes hair growth and improves scalp blood circulation, which helps deliver more nutrients to the hair follicles and it promotes healthy hair. It also has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, and it helps combat dandruff and other scalp infections. The curry leaves are being used in this oil because it is rich in vitamins, proteins and antioxidant properties, and it can activate and strengthen hair follicles and encourage hair growth. So over here I have made a paste of the onion and the amla, and you can also make the paste of the curry leaves, but I prefer using them like such. And over here I am going to use this iron vessel because iron is also good for hairs, and I am adding the curry leaf. Try to take a thick iron vessel, but I had this one only, so this is a medium thickness iron vessel. I am adding all the ingredients one by one. Then I am going to add the oil. So it was the winter time when I prepared this oil, so the oil is still a little bit semi-solid. So over here I am going to add half of the oil because the other bottle was completely solidified, so I had to warm it up a little bit. So I'll be adding a little bit more oil later on. And over here I am taking 1 spoon of onion seeds and a small spoon of methi seeds. Fenugreek seeds you can add a little bit more, but because it gives a little strong smell to the oil, so I'm adding it a little bit less. And I'm going to add all these ingredients in the oil, including the aloe vera. After cleaning the aloe vera, that is after removing the aloe by keeping it in water overnight, I'm going to cut it into small pieces, and I'm also going to add this in the oil. And then I'm going to add coconut oil, and I'm going to put it on medium heat till the oil warms up. Once the oil warms up and the ingredients start frying off, I am going to put the gas in slow and I am going to simmer this. Don't put it in high heat once the oil has become hot, otherwise all the ingredients will burn off and the oil will not be formed the way it should be made. So remember to cook all the ingredients in low flame and keep moving the ingredients occasionally. and you will see that you will get a golden colored oil. And you have to keep on doing this till all the raw ingredients are cooked properly and all the nutrition is seeped into the oil. And you have to keep on doing this slowly. You need a little bit of patience to make this oil. So over here I have added almost half a liter of the oil, and I'm going to cook it in this manner. And over here you can see the oil has now become golden in color. And then once it's done, I'm going to keep it in this iron vessel overnight, and I'm going to strain it the next morning. So the next morning I am taking the strainer. I have put a piece of cloth and I'm going to strain this oil. So over here I am pouring everything, and you have to squeeze it till you extract everything from these ingredients. Each and every drop of oil should be extracted. Initially the oil which you will see, it will be truly golden in color, but once you start squeezing, a little bit of dark color will come to the oil because the ingredients will be giving out some of the particles also in the oil. So the oil becomes a little bit darker in color, and that oil is the oil that you will be using on your scalp. So over here you can see I have squeezed off all the oil and the ingredient has become fully dry, and this is the oil that I have prepared. This is a purely natural hair oil, and this is really good to promote hairs and to clear off dandruff. So you can definitely try this Amla enriched hair oil made at home. I hope you found this recipe useful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.